It's not the gifts wrapped in fancy paper. It's not the lights upon the tree. There's nothing at all the world I need when I have you here beside me. Here beside me. So you could give me wings to fly and catch me if I fall and pull the stars down from the sky so I could wish on them all. There's nothing I need this Christmas. Your love is the greatest gift of all.
In your eyes, I found the strength inside of me. And in your eyes, there's a light to guide